Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Madam Azimah, our lecturer of Engineering Math for this semester on 2022. Hi, my name is L.U.Q Hafiz and my metric number 01DEE 22F1071. I'm going to introduce my group member for this project. We have Guru Izzuddin, Iqbal and Haki. We use trigonometry in astronomy, which is the distance between the sun and the star. Next, we go definition of trigonometry. The word trigonometry comes from the Greek word trigonon, triangle, and metron, the measure unit about the 16th country. Trigonometry was chiefly concerned with computing the numerical value of the missing part of a triangle or any shape that can be dissected into triangle. When the value of all the parts were given, the group focused on the calculation of chord, while mathematicians in India created the alert-known table of value of trigonometry ratio to assign. In order to develop this world picture, the essence of which was a stationary earth around which the sun, moon and the 5 known planets move in circular orbit. Ptolemy had to use some elementary trigonometry. In many applications of trigonometry, the essential problem is the solution of triangle if a known side and angle of known. The remaining side and angle as well as the area can be calculated, and the triangle is the side to be solved.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Abdul Rahman and my metric number is 01DEE22F1069. Today I want to explain how to calculate the distance between the sun and the star using trigonometry. There are three functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. Their name is SOH, KAH, and TOA. The meaning of SOH is sine equal opposite over hypotenuse, and KAH cos equal adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA is tan equal opposite over adjacent. The picture on the slide is question about calculating the distance between the sun and the star. So let's start solving the question. The question show the opposite is 1 astronomical unit and the adjacent is x. The question asks us to find the x. The information that we get from question is the distance between sun and earth is 1 astronomical unit and the theta is 0.00012, and the x is distance between the earth to the star. The first step, we are we use the formula which is tan theta equal opposite over adjacent. The next step, we need to change the position of x and tan theta. Next, we need to substitute the theta with 0.0012. The last step, we need to divide the 1 astronomical unit and tan 0.00012, and the answer is 477,000 astronomical units. That is the distance between the Earth and the star. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Badrizal Bilahizat. Matrix number 01DEE22F1090. I will talk about conclusions. We realized that trigonometry can be used in many areas such as astronomy and architecture. They can aid in calculating many things. They can also be used in cars, decks and benches. Without really climbing a tree, you can find the height easily with trigonometry. They can be so widely used in real life application and very useful for the most architects and astronomers. We can conclude that without trigonometry, life would be much more difficult. Without going through the troubles, you can easily find something, so we think that it was a good invention by Archimedes. And thanks to this, many architects need not go through the trouble to calculate things. So it really helps in real life application and not only in our tests and exams. That's all from us. Thank you.